If you've been on Instagram for any length of time, you definitely come across a piece of content that says paid partnership in the top of it. This allows other users on the platform who come across that content to know that it was created in collaboration with a brand or a company for business promotion purposes. And how both creators and brands get access to these tools is through something called Instagram branded content tools. And that's what we're covering in this video today. We're gonna run through Instagram branded content tools, how you can use them if you're a creator or if you're a brand, and what they all mean. So you're definitely in the right place. Let's get right into it. What's going on? It's Ben here from Flick, your destination for Instagram domination. And today we're talking all about people's favorite topic, branded content, because it means money. Okay, so we're gonna walk through what this really means, what it means if you're a brand, what it means if you're a creator, and how these tools can be best utilized, and make sure you're not breaking any of the rules on Instagram. And to help you understand everything in this video, it is timestamped below. If there's a specific point you wanna jump to or jump back to, we got you covered. So first, let's answer the question, what is branded content? Branded content, according to Instagram, is a creator or publisher's content that features or is influenced by a business partner for an exchange of value. For example, where the business partner has paid the creator or publisher. Simply put, if you're a brand, it's any kind of content that's created by an Instagram influencer, a creator, a brand partner, or really anybody as part of your Instagram campaign or strategy. That's branded content. If you're an influencer or content creator, so on the other side of the equation, branded content is a post that was sponsored or paid for by a brand. Because influencers have to disclose anything that is an ad online, the branded content tool and paid partnerships are now made more apparent with the new tagging features on the app. So that's branded content. Now let's move on to what Instagram branded content tools are and what they do. Along with new tagging features, Instagram has also released new insights for creators and businesses to help both work together in a more seamless way. The new paid partnership label makes it super clear which businesses, brands, and political figures are paying or being paid to endorse a certain product or service. This is also a great perk for creators to have this at the top of their content because it does create some leverage when trying to reach out to other brands. And it also creates some social proof for them and some authenticity for their brand because somebody is paying to be involved with it. So it really makes sense for both sides and also for the consumers who are seeing the content. So who has branded content eligibility on Instagram? When it comes to Instagram's branded content eligibility, not everyone has access to these tools. And there are actually some pretty strict guidelines and requirements for who can actually use the tools. You'll have to meet these requirements to use branded content tools. You must comply with Instagram's community guidelines. You must comply with Instagram's content monetization policies. You must share accurate information. You must monetize authentic engagement, so not buying any inauthentic engagement. You must follow Instagram's rules for making and receiving payments. You must develop an established presence. You must follow rules for politicians and governments if you fall into that category, and you must avoid systemic violations. And yes, you need to meet all of their requirements in order to get access to these features. Or you'll have to go back through and satisfy each one of them to get the not approved status reversed on your account. Believe it or not, there's actually a few more requirements that go into being eligible, and they're the following. One, you must have a business or a creator account. If you're a business, you must have a business account to be tagged as a paid partner. And if you need help switching your account to the right one, we have linked a video in the card above helping you do just that. Next, content creators and publishers must have an authentic and established presence. 3, you must comply with Instagram's community guidelines. They really stress that, so definitely do not violate those. It's just never a good idea anyways, but especially for this case. And 4th, you can't be a government official who is subject to the government's rules or ethics. But as long as you stick with all that, you're good to go. And realistically, I know it sounds like a lot, but most of people will have absolutely no problem whatsoever getting approved or being eligible for these features. We're just giving you the full rundown because we want to give you as much information as possible because we're cool like that. So now let's walk through how to set up Instagram branded content as a content creator. So now that you're ready and you've met all the requirements, you're now ready to create and publish branded content using branded content tools. And here's how you do that. Step 1 is to set up brand content tools. To get started, you'll need to set them up in your account. Open Instagram and tap Menu. Open Settings, then click Account, then select Branded Content Tools, and then click Get Tools. The second step is to tag your business partner in the post. Now that you have added Instagram branded content tools to your account, let's start using them. After you have your photo all uploaded and caption written, click Advanced Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, you can click Tag Business Partner under branded content. Search for the brand or business you want to tag, and voila. You can also let brands or businesses promote your content in ads by clicking Allow Business Partner to Promote under branded content, which some brand partners may actually really want you to do. Step 3, the brand must approve the post. You can't tag a brand without their permission. Instagram automatically sets up new business accounts, so they have to authorize any branded content posts. However, if the brand you want to tag won't allow you to tag them, you must reach out to them and request permission. And this is obviously just for brand safety purposes. So that's how to set up the tools as a creator. Now let's walk through how to set up the branded content tools on Instagram as a brand or a business. Step number 1 is apply for Facebook Brand Collabs Manager. Go to your Facebook account and start by applying to Facebook Brand Collabs Manager. This tool will help you search for influencers and content creators, explore insights, and even create branded ads on Instagram from posts that you've been tagged in. Once you apply, Facebook will review your application and review your account to make sure your page can be set up for brand collabs. Step 2 is to locate branded content tools in the Instagram app. If you don't have branded content tools enabled yet, you can still access the tool as long as a partner tags you in branded content. To do this, open Instagram, tap menu, click settings, then click business, then open branded account, click approve content creators. Step 3 is to review your branded content. If you want to allow any creator to tag you without requiring approval, you can turn on manually approved tags in your settings. If you'd like to control which posts you're tagged in, we recommend turning on manually approved tags so you can see all posts that are awaiting your approval and approve which ones you want. You can also see a full list of approved business partners and review and add profiles to your approved list at any time. Step number 4 that you want to keep in mind is how to promote branded content within ads. Now that you have tags, insights, and creators in your roster, it's time to start running ads for your account. Here's the step-by-step on how to do so. First, go to your Facebook business page, go to Ads Manager, click Create an Ad, pick your ad objective. Just a heads up, branded content can only be used for app installs, brand awareness, reach, traffic, video views, conversions, and page post engagement. Go through all the steps of the ad creation. Then when you get to the creation of the ad image, click Use Existing Post, then Branded Content. You'll be able to see all the posts that creators have approved and you can use them for your ads. You can then preview the ad placements and click Confirm to create the ad and make it go live. So that's the business or brand side of the branded content tools, but don't stress, nothing is forever. If you did ever want to take something back or you were second guessing a campaign that you ran, you can delete it. So here's how to remove the Instagram branded content tool. First, open up the Instagram app and go to your activity page. Then tap branded content, select the post that you want to untag, tap the dots on the top right corner, click remove tag, boom, simple and easy, you're done. You've removed it. So that's everything that you need to know about the Instagram branded content tools, both from the creator side as well as the brand or business side. And if you're looking to learn more about Instagram and all of its features, especially from the business side of things, you definitely want to join Flick's free Facebook community called the Social Hub. We post a ton of free resources and exclusive content to help you better utilize Instagram and grow your presence, business, and brand far faster. So go ahead and join that community. You will not regret it. It's completely for free and it is linked down below. So go ahead, join that. I'll see you in there. And if you're new to the channel and you are interested in Instagram, which obviously you are because you're still here, don't forget to click that subscribe button so that we can help you out with another helpful video every single week. And we can keep the chat going every single week, which I know I want to do. And I think you do too. So hit that little bell button so we can see each other again. And if you're looking to better utilize hashtags on Instagram, you first have to understand how hashtags work and what goes into a great strategy. And we covered all of that in this video right here. So go ahead and click that. You will go from a hashtag noob to a hashtag expert and you will level up your game. So I'll see you over there. Click that now. Peace and love.